Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the weekly membership is billed, because cancellation must happen at the source. Open the Google Play or App Store app or the Mobile Legends account settings if you subscribed in-game. Once done, locate the receipt or order ID in your email or wallet so you can match the charge. Make sure you're signed into the exact account that made the purchase. Mismatched accounts will block cancellation and waste time. You now perform the cancellation. On Google Play, go to Menu, Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions and hit Cancel. Confirm why if prompted. On the App Store, tap your profile, Subscriptions, select Mobile Legends Membership and cancel subscription. Follow confirmation prompts. If the charge was through an in-game or third-party method, open Mobile Legends account settings or the payment provider portal and cancel there. After canceling, you'll usually retain access until the current weekly period ends. Finish by verifying cancellation. Check for a confirmation email and confirm the subscription status shows canceled in the store. If you want to prevent accidental recharges, remove the saved payment method or change account passwords. Do this once you've ensured the cancellation is recorded. If something goes wrong, contact Google Play, Apple, or Mobile Legends support with the order ID and screenshot. Support can reverse erroneous renewals or explain disputed charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.